What's up, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing y'all how I created this Christmas look. This is more of like a Christmas party look, or a night out on the town look, or date night look, or whatnot. It gives me a little Christmas vibes just because I cut the crease with a pretty shimmery green color. I did have to use 3 palettes to achieve this look. I used the BH Cosmetics Marble Collection in Warmstone. I used the Pretty Vulgar palette, and I used the Colourpop Perception palette by Shayla. I've already prepped and primed my eyelids and done my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna go in first to the BH Cosmetics Warmstone palette. I'm gonna pick up this brown shade, and I'm gonna pick it up on a Morphe M531 brush, and I'm just gonna work that in my crease. I want to start from the back and then just kind of windshield wiper motion it all the way to the front. Okay, now that I got that shade worked in, I'm gonna go into this darker brown shade. I'm just gonna pick it up on the same Morphe 531 brush, and I'm gonna work that right underneath where I just did with the light brown, right in my crease, just a little underneath it, just to start giving that a little bit of a... Okay, now that I have those 2 colors built up like I want, I'm gonna take this angled Luxie brush. This is a 131. It's just an angled brush. I'm gonna go back into that BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna pick up this dark brown shade. And I'm just gonna apply that to the outer corner of my eye. I'm just gonna kind of stamp it on there. Just going about halfway. I like to lay down this darker color and blend it out. That way I don't have to use as much of the black shade, because black is always hard for me to blend out. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Luxie 121 fluff brush, and I'm just going to blend all that dark brown out. I'm just gonna keep it down low on my eyelid and take it a little bit into my crease. The key to working with these darker colors is, before you go on to the next shade, make sure you blend it all out to where it looks smooth and there's no harsh lines. And when you're blending this darker brown shade out, just take a real light hand, and I just go back and forth in circular motions to blend it all out. Okay, now that I have that worked in, I'm gonna take the Pretty Vulgar palette, and I wanna pick up this shade All Nighter. That's the black matte. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the Luxie 121 fan brush, or fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna pat it. I'm gonna pack it on there first, like how I want it. I'm taking a little bit in my crease. And I only wanna take it into about half of the, about halfway on the eyelid, because the rest we're gonna do the cut crease. So once I pack this to where I want it, I'm just gonna blend it all out. Okay, now that I have all the black blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Alamar flat brush, and I'm gonna use the concealer in Maybelline. This is in shade 20, Sand. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I wanna take it pretty high up, and I'm gonna go just about halfway between my eye. So I'm just gonna take it on that flat brush. crease cut out. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics. This doesn't have a number, just like a real small little flat brush. And now I'm gonna go into the Colourpop Perception palette, and I'm gonna pick up LE. It's the green shimmer. I'm gonna pack that on my brush pretty good, and then I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray. And then I'm just gonna pat that on my eye. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna do any liner since the look is already kind of dramatic. The eye look, I'm just going to take a penciled black eyeliner and just line underneath my top lashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, my camera stopped recording. I don't know whereabouts, but I went ahead and did my concealer, my foundation, my concealer, and my contouring off camera. That's still the same. I haven't really got any new products to play around with, so if you want to see a video on how I do that, just drop me a comment and let me know. I went ahead and I started baking. I'm baking for my contour, and underneath my eyes I'm just using the Rimmel London mattifying powder. And now I've gone back into this BH Cosmetics palette, and I picked it up on this flat brush. I first went in with this light brown, and I just tucked it right underneath my lash line as close as I could get it. And now I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade, and I'm just gonna smoke out the end of my eye. I'm just gonna take it about halfway in and just kind of smoke it out. I'm gonna get this flat brush. I'm gonna go back into that darker shade and just blend it all together so there's no harsh lines. Okay, now I'm just taking, you can take any black penciled eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Now I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetic, this is in the number 2 brush, and I'm just gonna dust away all this setting powder. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Wet n Wild contour stick, and I'm gonna contour my nose. This is in the shade 806, Where's Walnut. I'm just gonna take my Morphe M458 contour brush and just kind of work that in. Okay, I'm just gonna take some Hoola Benefit powder, bronzing powder, and just kind of bronze my face up a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer and Deep Bronze. I'm gonna take it on a Morphe 106 brush and just bronze my face. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Note blush. This is in Desert Rose. It looks like that. It's just a real light pink. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just work it on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into this Colourpop palette, and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here, and I'm going to highlight the inner part of my eye. Highlight my brow bone. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this highlight in Moondust. I'm gonna take it on a Morphe, this is a Y13 fan brush, and I'm just gonna highlight the high points of my face. Okay, after I highlight, I'm going to take the Tarte-Ready Set Radiant setting spray and I'm going to lock all this into place. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Colourpop. This is from the Colourpop collection. I've used it down so much. It's either 951 or Curvii. I can't remember. I'm just going to line my lips with this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop. This is from the Colourpop collection as well, and this is Softii. I'm just gonna apply this right in the middle of the lip. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my fan brush and I'm gonna go back into the highlight Moondust. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my top lip. Okay. Alright guys, this is the final look. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified whenever I post all my videos. Thank you for watching.